Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to create a product in Fulfill Engine for Webstore, as well as create the design. Now, what designs are in Fulfill Engine is it's a collection of placements and artwork that you could then apply to additional products as you're adding them to web stores. So we are going to first click on Products within a web store, and we're going to click this little plus, Add Product. And for the decoration style, we're going to choose DTF. And from here, we could just search any garment that we're looking for. For this example, we use the NEA 122, so we'll just click this here. And now we're going to build a design. And so what we're going to do is you're going to have your artwork ready to go in another window. And you're just going to drag and drop them into this window here. And it's going to default them to its max, so you're going to want to know what size you're printing these graphics at. So I'm going to change the width down here to 2.75, and I'm going to just center it onto this print region here. Okay, so next we are going to click on the back. And same thing, we're just going to drag and drop our artwork in, like so. Again, we're going to resize it, center our artwork. Now this is good to go, with the exception of this garment does have a name drop, and all of the other garments that share this design do have name drops. So under name up here, I'm just going to type in name, and we're just going to paste those in like so. What you'll notice is that there is no way to change the print region until you click out of that tab and back in. Now we could set it to right chest. And then we're going to click these three dots here to edit it. And we're going to go down to font, choose our font, and then set our letter height, as well as set our color. Okay. And so now I can drag this name drop around. There is no way to have the software center it, so we're just going to visually kind of center it on the left chest. Okay, at this point we're going to choose the colors that we want to offer. And so the way that Fulfill Engine works is you can't have two different colorways on the same product. So we can't offer, for instance, this shadow gray heather version with a black logo. We can, but not through this product. We have to create another duplicate product and then set it as a nested product. And we'll be able to use the designs to be able to quickly set up those nested products. But right now, all we're going to do is choose the darker colored garments to get this white design. Okay, so we're good to go there. Now we're going to hit Save Product. And once this fully loads, there's going to be two things that we get to save here. One is going to be the product name, which is how it appears on the website. And then the other is the design name. And the design name is going to be this collection of the left chest, the right chest name drop, and the full back. So that way we can quickly apply those to other garments. And so again, this top one is how customers will see this. So we just call it something like that. Now on the design name, we're just going to call it what the design is. So this design is Texas dash, and we're going to call it white because there's white and black versions of this design. Okay, so now you can see that the dark version of the design, or the dark colored garments, are in here with the white design. And now, before we create the nested products, we're going to change the price, because if we change the price here, then we don't have to change the price again on the nested item as well. So if we click on tasks over here, edit price, you get a couple of options. If we don't adjust this, it's just using what the pricing sheet assigned to the store is going to use. So in this case, we're going to change it to $35.81. Hit save. Okay, so now we're going to create those lighter color garments with the black colorway. And so we're going to click Add Nested Product. And you can see that the white version of the graphic is there. If we had already created the black version, which obviously you can't do that ahead of creating the products, then we could just go ahead and click on it and it would call in. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up real quick. Okay, so now our black version of the design is set up. And at this point, we can choose the alternate color here, the lighter color garment that we want to display this artwork on. And now we're good to save the product. And again, we're going to get those two different fields to rename, and we're going to keep the top one the same because this is a nested product. So it's going to appear as one product. And down here, we're going to call this Texas Black. And that way, when we go to create the next product, we can just easily call these designs in, and we don't have to set those up. And so now we can see that it kept the pricing that we set on the parent product. We can see that it is linked to a parent product. And so now if we view this on the storefront, we'll see that it is indeed nested in with the white graphic versions. Thanks for watching.